That was a good nap. Okay. The nuisance thing here. Light. Okay. Still look. See? Well, guys, I'm bored. What do you guys are doing? Well, Knuckles is eating Doritos. Tails, I don't know what he's doing. I played the 2 Switch, so we're just taking a nap. Wake up. Teeth. Jeez, that hurt, man. Jeez, hurt. Going to stone. It's gonna be like that. It's gonna be on the internet. Yeah. Yeah, jeez, okay. Someone like turn on the lights or something? Jeez, it's dark. How long have you been doing this stuff and taking a nap? Well, I actually don't know. I really don't know. Anyways, where's Crash? Well, I actually don't know. He's under there. You need help, buddy? I'll take that as a yes. Okay. Whoa. What time is it? Let me check the time. Judging by the Plex we are using, it's 17:27. Yeah. So yeah, it's 7:27, guys. That's how long we slept. Okay, what's the real time actually? I actually don't know. I actually don't know. Tails, aren't you supposed to be smart? Like, I'm 12. I'm like 12. You expect me to know this stuff, guys? Jeez. Yeah. Anyways, guys, do you guys want to see a fire? Oh. Okay, I guess. Okay. Gotta speed up.
You sure that stuff is off in the bottom?
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
Quick, quick.
Oh boy, can't
Move
wait.
the gas can away.
Oh.
Yeah. Fire starting 101. 1, 2.
I don't know who this
Three.
guy is, but at least I'm nice. Oh.
Thank
Now what's that?
Like some.
That's a fire.
It's a fire.
Now the wind's blowing towards my open door.
Wow, Sonic, that's cool. Like, can I come? I guess. Sure. Yay! Okay. Tails, I'm gonna tell you the most scariest story ever. Okay. It goes like this. Once there was an ugly barnacle. He was so ugly that everyone died. The end. So did you like it? That wasn't scary at all. It was to me. Man, that fire is burning like bacon on a Sunday night. So, Sonic, is that all? Just telling scary stories? Yes. Even though one of those stories are not even scary. They're pretty scary. No, they're not. To me, they were like that ugly barnacle. That was the scariest story I've ever heard. Are you okay? Okay. Here's another story. Is it not scary? No. Anyways, there was this very horrible game called Sonic 06. Okay. It's a bad game. We all know. But it ain't scary. Like, it's scary bad, but not scary.
I know. That's why I just took off one of my jackets.
No, I'm beating up. This is
Wiseman,
boring. This can't. I'm going.
you probably
This is
need
born.
Nick to climb up, dude.
I'm
You probably need
born.
Nick
Come
to
back.
climb up. We should take it down,
doing
right?
this.
Yeah, I think you down.
I'm just
Or
bored.
tomorrow.
Okay, I'm just going. Hold up a sec, guys. I smell something. Hold on. Hold up a sec. I can't smell it enough. No, hold on. Smells like fire. I don't know what's it. Hold up. Hold, let me. Final sniff. Final sniff. Oh yeah, that's definitely fire. I'm gonna go check that out. Oh my gosh, it's fire. It's a fire. It's a fire. Our neighbors are talking. Let's see what that's about. Jesus God, we going. What was dead? Anyways. It's very dark out here. Oh wait, no, but it's fire. I'm just dead. What are you guys doing? Tails, what are you doing? Well, I was gonna get out, but then you came out. Okay. So now there's some weird noises coming out. I don't know what that's about. Well, Shadow, if you must ask, those are the fireworks. There's fireworks coming out? Yep. For some reason, these random people just take out fireworks. It happened in the last one, but we didn't show it. Anyways, enough breaking the fourth wall. So yeah, Shadow, why'd you came here? I could smell the thing right in there. Yeah, I can smell it. I was like sniffing with my big nose like this. And then I smelled it. So I went outside and then I saw this fire going up, burning like the bacon on a Sunday night. And yeah, it just came out. And then you guys were just doing on the fire. Bad stuff. Yeah. You want to see a scary story? They're not scary. Okay, I know that. Okay, which story is this one? Once there was an ugly barnacle. Oh god, I knew it. I just knew it. Okay. He was so ugly that everybody died. The end. I knew it. I just knew it. You know what? The story? No, you saying that that's the whole scary story. You think that is? It's not. It's not scary. Sonic is not scary. Okay. What? Oh, I don't know. I'm so stoned. Oh, you guys are doing a movie? What? Yeah, guys. I just bought a projector and just watch movies. So there's nothing really to do except for like the fire. Yeah. So please thank me. Yeah, I really did not want to just hear just the ugly barnacle thing. That's boring. Yeah. Also, I don't think there's any fireworks coming out. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways. So I enjoyed I guess the movies I got. Okay. So that's it. Yep. Where's the fireworks? What? You guys said there's gonna be fireworks, and I see barely nothing. I see nothing. Well, they didn't come out yet. I mean, what do you mean? They don't come out. Say this thing comes out randomly. Yeah. Oh wait, what? Tails. You're lying to me? No, I just I gotta maybe sort of kinda maybe little baby I mistake. Fine.
Okay, regardless, you're fine.
Okay, I guess we could just watch the fire. At least we show like. At least we show fire. That's the good part. Showed fire. So yeah. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. The day 2 is just us packed. You hear it? Yeah, that's next episode. We're leaving. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And see y'all laters. Big nose.